Around the three characters. That's Naushin Ali, that's Akshay, and Ashish. And it's the story of they let in a stranger, that's Ashish Chaudhary, into their house, and how it starts uh, affecting their life, and it starts into a very, it goes into a very suspense and a thriller way then. And basically just revolving around three characters. So it was appropriate because there's not much of a character in it. There's no other character in this three. So the reason it was like something different and a catchy one.
You know, the best thing about this film is the way it's been casted. Ashish, for the first plan, is playing an intense, serious role. I, on the other hand, am playing a husband, where that is far-fetched for me. I'm not married, something I can't relate to at this point of time in my life. But my character is a simple, sober guy who is a software engineer in Scotland, and how he, loses himself in his struggles of achieving success, and what pressure that puts on his marriage with his wife, which is played by Naushin, and how they together overcome those situations.
Three is a story of three individuals. It starts with the story of a husband and wife, Anjani Dutt and Rajiv Dutt, and how it's a very simple, basic story. How somebody else a third person enters their life, and how everything changes them. That's the basic one line.
Vishal was a director. He gave me like a detailed narration of the script and situations, and what was he looking out in terms of there should be the emotional quotient. इमोशन गाने का रखना है और स्टोरी आगे बढ़ानी है, बिकॉज लिप सिंक था नहीं गानों में, सो स्टोरी गानों में भी आगे बढ़ रही है. सो जो मूड था थ्रिलर का और जो इमोशन का फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्ट इन द स्क्रिप्ट, तो वो म्यूज़िक के थ्रू कन्वे करना था. सो बट उसने इतनी फ्रीडम दे दी थी मुझे कि यार तू जस्ट कर, यू जस्ट गो मैड.
एक्चुअली मैंने ना तो लाइफ में एस्ट्रोलॉजी, ना न्यूमरोलॉजी, ना पामिस्ट्री वगैरह किसमें बिलीव नहीं रखा है, लेकिन समहाउ मुझे हमेशा लगा है कि 3 एक, ये मैं इसलिए नहीं कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि 3 फिल्म की है मैंने, लेकिन 3 हैज़ ऑलवेज बिन अ नंबर विच लोग बोलते हैं लकी है. मोर देन एनीथिंग माई डैड फाइंड्स दैट नंबर लकी. वो भी बिलीव नहीं करते, पर वो हमेशा उसे लकी समझते, क्योंकि मैं 21st को पैदा हुआ हूँ, 21 जुलाई, तो 2 and 1 3 हो गया, एंड couple of other important people are born on number 3. So dad always felt 3 is important, and जब भी कुछ भी होता था नया काम, वो वहीं 3rd पे कर लेते थे या number 3 पे. तो when this film came out, dad was very happy. He said, this is going to be a lucky film. So I guess to an extent खुशी होती है कि इसका नाम 3 और 4 नहीं है या 2 नहीं है. लेकिन nevertheless, I'm sure for most of the people 3 is a lucky number.
The first thing, it was like the script was really good. And second, of course, the music. The two things we were really banging on it. Like we should get a really good script, that we got. And second, it was we should get a really good music, that also we got. And उसके बाद तो it's like the performance. It's up to the director कैसे performance करवाता है क्या नहीं. But I think this too was the major bit, and that's the reason we just thought like let's not. सभी ट्राई कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हमने ट्राई नहीं किया, बिकॉज देयर आर टू मच ऑफ कॉमेडीज कमिंग आउट विद बिग एक्टर्स एंड ऑल, एंड जस्ट टू ट्राई समथिंग डिफरेंट एंड नॉट कॉमेडीज. अगर कॉमेडीज करते इट वुड हैव बीन द सेम थिंग. कितने देयर आर सो मेनी कॉमेडीज कमिंग अप, सो व्हाई यू हैव टू चूजन टू टेक कॉमेडी.
You know, the films I choose are always against the norm. Like my last film that I released was Alag. I played something completely out of the ordinary. 3 again, I'm playing a husband, which not many people would cast me at this kind of age for that character. But why is it different? Because you can't pinpoint a difference in the characters or the script or whatnot. You can pinpoint the difference in the way the film is presented, the way the film is shot, what carries these actors to make their decisions. It's a very realistic story, about 2-3 simple people, and how they react. There's no heroism, there's no over the top filminess, you can say. It's more of just dealing with the circumstances. Would you react the same way?
First thing that really interested me was that Anjani Dutt's character is the central role, and there are only 3 characters in this film, and everything revolves around all three of them. Usually, as we all know, heroines really don't get much of footage in a film. It's more of a supporting role than a main lead. So out here, getting equal footage with the heroes, that's what really attracted me towards the script.
There are 5 songs in the film, and there's the first song which is sung by Soni Deol, and it's one of my favorite songs and very different, very international sounding, or talking about loneliness of the character, you know, of Nausheen, and तो it's a very cold sounding. आपको लगेगा कि आप स्कॉटलैंड में हो या जहाँ ये फिल्म शूट हो रही है, तो वो एक फीलिंग आएगा आपको, स्नोई फीलिंग इन द सॉन्ग. फिर है डांस ट्रैक है जो आशीष चौधरी पे फिल्माया गया है, और उसमें मतलब R&B हिप हॉप काइंड ऑफ, सिंस ही पिक्चर में वो सिंगर है, डांसर है, तो बेसिकली दे वांटेड अ नंबर विच वाज फुट टैपिंग और कैची, जो भी नॉर्मल ब्रीफ रहता है डांस सॉन्ग्स का, तो वो था. फिर जो मैंने कहा कि एक सेमी क्लासिकल काइंड ऑफ सॉन्ग, लव मेकिंग का सॉन्ग है, तो वो भी बहुत ही अच्छी मेलोडी है एंड वेरी डिफरेंट, समथिंग दैट आई हैव नेवर डन बिफोर.
मेरे मुताबिक और मेरे फीलिंग्स ये कहते हैं कि ये स्क्रिप्ट इज़ परफेक्ट फॉर मी एंड परफेक्ट फॉर द ऑडियंस, बिकॉज इसमें जो मिस्ट्री है और जो थ्रिल्स है, इट इज़ ऑफ अ लेवल विच यू डोंट सी मच ऑन इंडियन सिनेमा, और आई वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ हॉलीवुड फिल्म, तो उसके मुकाबले जैसी स्क्रिप्ट है. दूसरी बात, विक्रम भट्ट ने डायलॉग्स लिखे हैं. विक्रम भट्ट इज़ बहुत सुलझे हुआ इंसान है, बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट है. ही इज़ नेवर रिटन डायलॉग्स फॉर अ फिल्म, और उनकी जो ज़ुबान है वो बहुत ही क्रिस्प है. तो उन्होंने डायलॉग्स लिखे हैं, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द प्लस पॉइंट ऑफ दिस फिल्म, द डायलॉग्स.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.